am Leslie Pinimino. Today, I'm going to discuss with you the original model expression, truth table, logic circuit diagram, simplified expression, key map, real-world ID application, and logic circuit design. So first, the original model expression. AB plus not AC. So ang AB is no error. O ang not A at C presented with A false but C is true. So pag may untag not A is false. Pag may untag C is true. Kaya pag na-ay not, false lang or equals to 0. So kung yan truth tables, ani. So A is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Ang B is 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. C is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So, isa ko niya pagkuha ang AB. So, A and B is 0, so 0 siya. So, dili po, A and B is 0, 0, 0 is 0 gamit siya. Tapos dili, A and B, ang A is 0, tapos ang B is 1, so 0 gamit siya. Kaya an pa na gamit. So, dili is 0, 1, 0 gamit. Kaya dapat, pag may untag, dapat gawa sila 1. 1 and 1 is equals to 1. So, para saan 1 and 1. So, yung A and B is equals to 1. So, dili na punta sa not A. Ang not A is, pag may untag not A is opposite lang siya sa A. Pag may untag is 0, so ang not A is 1. So, kabaliktaran lang. Kasi na lang punta sa not A and C. Not A and C. Ang mangyapon din eh, so ang C is 0, ang not A is 1 is equals to 0 gyapon. O C and not A is 1 to 1 is equals to 1 eh. Cross na sila 1. So, pinagkata sa F. Pag naisa, pag 1 yan ang not A o C, mag-equal na siya 1. So, para saan eh? Ang not A and C is 0, 0. Not A and C kay 1 is 1. And not A and C is 0, so 0. So, wala to siya. Huwag nyo lang po sa logic circuit diagram. Ang kani, tawag ani nga sa ang tawag ani is kani nga sign is not sign. Sige, balik ka. Ang tawag ani nga sign is not gate. Tapos ang kani is and gate. So ang kani siya ang A not gate. Kung not gate, so na mo siyang not A. Kaya diri man siya is A. Tapos diri na may sign niya not gate. So mahimo siyang not A. Tapos, consider dito. So, 4 is simplified expression. This is already the final and the simplest form after applying Boolean algebra. So, kaning simplified expression is result na ni result na ni aning K-map muna niya answer. So, ang K-map niya is BC. So, ang BC, 0, 0. Ang BC, 0, 0. Tapos, ang A is 0. Kani sila is 0. So, ang F is 0. So, dili siya, ang BC is 0, 1. BC is 0, 1. Tapos, ang A is 0. Tapos, ang A is 0 is, kani siya, na may 1, so may mo siyang 1. So, katulo is 1, 1, o 0. Ang BC is 1, 1, o 0. Mali siya, 1, 1, o 0. So, yung F is 1. Yan na may 1. So, may mo siyang 1. Tapos, dire, Ang 1, 0, ang BC is 1, 0. Tapos ang A is 0. BC is 1, 0. Tapos ang A is 0. So, 0 siya. Nadali mo na yung i-mark. Sinapunta sa BC kay 0, 0. Tapos, and 1. 1. So, may mo siyang 0. Nara, 0. Tapos, ang BC is 0, 1 o 1. 0, 1 and 1. Nara, 0, 1 and 1 is 0. Muna siya 0. Tapos, ang BC is 1, 1 o ang A is 1. 1, 1, 1 kani. So, may mo siyang 1 ang iyahang gimag. So, last kay 1, 0 o 1. BC is 1, 0. 1, 0. Yang A is 1. So, may mo siyang 1. Nara, 1. So, sa real world IT application is student entry system. A is equal to ID valid, B is wearing uniform, C is special permit. So, logic, AB is equal to valid ID and wearing uniform. So, not A and C, no ID but has special permit. So, pag nunod A, ID valid. Pero pag nunod not A, is may mo siyang wala siya dalang na ID. Pero pag wala man po not ang C, is may mo siyang nasa special permit, pero wala siya ID. Muna pasabot sa real world IP. Logic circuit design. The expression F is equal to AB plus not A and C is implemented by generating AB with an AND gate, producing not A using a NOT gate, and combining it with C to another AND gate, then feeding both results into an OR gate to obtain the final output